Hey guys, Reese Field here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make pickles. So just a few minutes ago I went down to the garden and grabbed 4 or 5 fresh cucumbers, so these are completely fresh. What I'm going to be doing is we're going to be using a quart-sized jar, and we'll be cutting the pickles up into the jar until you can't pack any more in, so that's roughly about 4 or 5. I've done about 3 of them for you, and I'll do the last one out here on the cutting board. So what you're going to do, we've taken the ends off, so you don't need those anymore. I'm going to cut the cucumber in half, and this is where you can decide how thick your pickles can be. If you want, 2 really nice big fat ones that you can chew on, that's good. I like that. That one's a little big, so I'm just going to cut it one more time. Alright, that's good. I'm going to be stuffing them into this quart-sized jar until I can't fit any more in. Almost done there. The reason I take off the ends is because they're bitter, so that's why I would take them off. I think actually that's good. Let me just cut this one a little bit thinner. I think I'll be able to do this one now. Yep. See if I can fit this last one in here somewhere. Okay, so after that, the spices are just to make it tasty. There's many different recipes for how you're going to do that. We chose one that we like. We've tried it several times and we've figured out that we like it. It's just preference. Okay? See, that's what it looks like on the inside. Now I'm going to be adding 2 cloves of garlic, which I will do... Actually, I'll do it step third. So I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn, tablespoon of sea salt. Oops, spilled a little bit there. Okay, now I'm going to get the 2 garlic cloves. Okay, I'm just going to take this off here. Okay, we're putting these in here. 1, 2. Alright, now I'm going to be adding a cup of water. Whoops, to the other side. A cup of water with a cup of vinegar. Might be a little less actually. It's probably right about good actually. Alright, I'm going to add 2 or 3 sprigs of dill. This is what makes it have that dill flavor. It smells really nice actually. Plopping that down there in the water. Okay, and the last step, you're putting some, it can be raspberry leaves or blackberry leaves or basically any kind of leaf. This is just to hold down the pickles. If you pack them tight enough, that's good. But you still might want to put some leaves on top because they might float up out of the solution and that'll make them tasteless. So you want to keep them packed down into the solution. So I'm just gonna put a couple blackberry leaves in there, just to hold them down in the solution. Okay, and once I get that, I'm just gonna close it up, dry it off, and I'm gonna leave this sitting out on the counter for 3 days. That's usually what it takes to finish the process. And then after 3 days, you can put them in the refrigerator to stop the process, and then you have a very tasty snack with your cheese and crackers. So there you guys go.